Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So today we are doing a Boxycharm unboxing and try on for you guys. My face is all prepped. I look like a thumb right now, but yeah. I also bought these hoops today and they're humongous. I love them. Also, I don't even know like how I feel about this shirt that I'm wearing, but like I think I like it. I don't know. Alright, so if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription box where you receive 4 to 5 full-size products. It costs $22 a month, and I can say that every month I've gotten a box from them, it's definitely been worth $22. So this month's theme is Vacation, and the first thing that came in my box was the South Main 3-Eye Gel Packs. These are worth $10. Now, I'm not going to be using these in the video because it's like midnight right now and this requires 30 minutes. But yeah, this is still kind of cool to have in the box. I've never used eye gel packs or whatever these are. I've never used them, so this is a really good opportunity to try them out because I have been intrigued for sure. So thumbs up to that. Alright, so now we're going to move on to the next item. I received the Pretty Vulgar blush in the shade Hush Blush. I'm so happy I received this because the other color that they were giving out was like this crazy, super bright color. And I got the more neutral everyday blush, which I really think is beautiful. I tried to open it earlier and I dug my nail in, so that's great. But I'm just going to put that on my face because I definitely need some color to my face right now. So we are going to test it out. I'm just gonna boom, 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 pat. Ooh, a little bit powdery, but it's fine. Yeah, I really like the color of this a lot. And it seems to be blending out pretty well. I might have applied too much. This is pretty pigmented, but it's fine. Alright, and by the way, this is $26, and if you didn't know, Pretty Vulgar is actually a brand sold at Sephora. So, already, definitely worth $22. I really like the color of this blush. The packaging feels a little cheap, it's a little plasticky, but it looks really pretty. Moving on, I got the Vintage Cosmetics Smokey Eye Brush Set. And this is worth $23.15. That is a weird number, but we're gonna open these up. Maybe not, I can't even open it. I'm destroying this box right now, trying to get it open. Brought out the scissors. Oh my goodness. Alright, so we have 3 brushes. It comes with like a flat shader brush, this angled brush, and then a smudgy brush. Okay, so they feel pretty soft. I don't know, I feel like they're not going to pick up powder that well. It just is like really synthetic feeling to me. So we'll see, because the next item we got was the Boxycharm and PUR collaboration. I'm sure you guys have seen this before in all the other Boxycharm videos, but this is what it looks like. Really pretty. And you guys, PUR, I really like PUR. I actually have a video coming up about some cool things I found from PUR, so I'm pretty dang excited about this palette. So I'm going to challenge myself to only use these 3 brushes and this eyeshadow palette. And it comes with a mirror. That's pretty cool. This, by the way, retails for $36, and they actually are selling this on the PUR website I saw the other day too, so that's pretty cool. So I'm not going to create this really stunning look. I'm just playing around with the shadows, and plus it's so late, I'm about to just take this off anyways. But I'm gonna start off with the shade Perfect, PUR Perfect, which is this cream shade, and I'm just gonna run it all over this brush and put it all over my eyelid. And I'm especially focusing that under my eyebrows because I have concealer there. Okay, and using this brush cell, I'm going to go into the color Naked, which is right here, this peach color, and I'm going to use this as a transition color. I think the regular PUR formula is a little better than this, if I'm being honest. But I did just only use one color, so we will see. Okay, so next I'm going to go into the color Duet, which is this dark brown, and I'm going to use the tip of this brush and I'm going to focus that on my outer corner. Alright, so this shadow is blending pretty nice, especially for a deep chocolate brown. I'm not mad at it. Yeah, these shadows are blending very nicely. I would like to be using my regular brushes though, but this is a challenge and I'm going to complete it. Okay, so next I'm going to use the flat shader brush, and I'm going into this shade right here, which is called Alliance. It looks like a mossy green brown bronze shade. I'm clearly very good at description. And we're just going to pat that on the lid. Okay, so it's not going onto the lid very well, but typically a shade that feels this creamy isn't going to go that well on with a brush, so I'm just going to put it on my finger. Not surprised by that, but it's fine. Alright you guys, I can't lie, but this color looks a little bit chunky on my eyelid. It's like not sticking. It's not bad, but it really, like, it looks chunky. I'm applying a little bit more of Duet to deepen it here. Yeah, this color looks a little chunky. Anyways, so using the little smudgy brush, I'm going in with the shade Charmer, which is this light shimmery champagne, and I'm going to highlight my inner corner and that area right here with this. Okay, the shadow is not even showing up on my eyes either. Oh, there we go. I take it back. Okay, so this isn't going to be a very nice look, but I'm going to take BFF, which is this purple color, and I'm taking a smudger brush. I'm going to smudge that along my lower lash line. Typically I wouldn't do this for this look, but I just want to test out a different color. This is applying pretty nicely. Okay, and then I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line, and I'm going to take Boxy Black, which is a black. It has some glitters in it, but I'm just going to run that along the outer part of my lower lash line. I'm also going to bring that a little bit out on the top of my upper lash line as well. Oh my goodness, you guys, this look is horrible. What am I doing? This looks so bad. I can fix this. Alright, I'm just going to leave it. I know this look isn't like the best thing I've ever done on my channel. I promise you, if you're watching this for the first time, I actually do have a little bit of skill in makeup, but I don't know what I was doing. Okay, and the last item I got in the box, which everybody got, is the Butter London Double Decker Lashes Mascara. This retails for $20, and I love getting mascara in the boxes because I hate spending money on mascara. Also, Butter London is a really good brand. They have their glazing eyeglasses, I think, are super amazing. They're one of my favorite products ever for the eyes. So this is a pretty big mascara, dang. And I don't know, this is what the brush looks like. Okay, we're just gonna test it out. So I'm gonna curl my lashes. Okay, so fair warning, I don't even have eyelashes at all really, so no mascara makes my eyelashes look good. So when this doesn't do anything to my lashes, just know that's normal. There's no mascara that can save me. Very volumizing. You know what, guys? This mascara really is not bad at all. It's very volumizing, though I will say I think if I add another coat, my lashes will start to look clumpy. But I actually kind of like what it made my lashes look like. It's not very lengthening, and typically I like a lengthening mascara. But, hey, okay, cool. Here, I'm gonna get... Oh, that's the wrong way. So, take a look. Oh gosh, ignore my eyeshadow. I was just playing with colors, okay? I literally have no lashes, so you're not going to be able to see, but this is pretty good. Alright, so really quickly I'm going to put on a lip color and some highlighter, and I will be back with my final thoughts on this month's box. Alright, so I'm back. I just threw on some gloss and highlighter, so I'm just going to do a quick review of the products that I got and what I thought about them. I thought that the eye gels were pretty cool. I didn't use them, but I thought it was a pretty nice addition to the box, just something different. The blush, I really, really liked it. I think this is a beautiful color, though if I got the other color that they gave out, I don't think I would be saying the same thing. But this is a really good brand, and this is a really nice color, and it blended nicely on my cheeks, so I'm very, very happy about this. The brush set's not my favorite, but I mean, these are nice to have in your collection. You know, I feel like I can never have too many brushes. You never know when you're going to need some. So I'm pretty happy that we got this. But like I said, they're not the best quality of brushes, but I mean, it's a $20 box, so I'm not complaining. Now the palette, I definitely think PUR, you cut corners with this one because I have some of your other eyeshadow palettes, and this is definitely not as good as them. But that being said, it's really awesome that we get a palette from PUR in the box. The palette earlier, a few months ago, that they had from PUR, I love that palette. I think it's great. This one I don't think is as great as that one. The color selection is really nice. I think it's really great that they gave a palette that wasn't just full of neutrals and you have some colors. It kind of reminds me of the new Natasha Denona Tropic palette. I'm getting those types of vibes. But yeah, I don't know. The shimmer color just looked chunky on my lid. I'm not about it. But what I do understand is we paid $20 for the box this month and we got this and all this other stuff. So it definitely was worth it, but I think some corners were cut here to make this palette. That's all I'm saying. And finally, the mascara I was surprisingly impressed with. I'm really happy we got this, and like that's the beauty of Boxycharm. You never know, you're gonna get things that surprise you and that you surprisingly love. So I think that's really, really awesome. So overall, I think this box was pretty good. It's not my favorite. There's nothing in this box this month that I'm super excited for, I'm not gonna lie. But everything was a pretty steady okay. Not wowed by anything, but not really disappointed with anything either. Yeah, if you're interested in Boxycharm, go ahead and give it a try. I definitely think it's worth the money. Even on their bad months, I still think it's worth the money. So, I don't know, it's just an awesome subscription box to have. So if you like these types of videos, give this a thumbs up. If you don't like these types of videos, still give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and tune in for the next video. Bye.